Hello friends, Tripura Public Service Commission bisingtai notification kaisa horkha 18 May 2022 o tarigano o notification tongo narojara Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagai online application khlai tongnai naroni bagai admit card tei written examination ni bagai date release khlaijakha fighting kesang taba notification alenai to friends o 4 number ongkha sijak tongo Tripura Combined Competitive Examination for Recruitment to Miscellaneous Post a miscellaneous post ni andatai kaithamna erkhlaijaka obongkha ICDS CDPO te Panchayat Executive Officer jara Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagai online application khlai tongjak norokni bagai admit card certificate download khlaimanai 25/10/2022 tarik ni simino khlaimanai tei written examination rongnai 6 tarik 11 March 2022 tarikono khlaijak fighting kesang tabok 2 tarik 5 March 2022 ni notification tebesa nailai तो फ्रेंड्स अमुखा 2 तारिख मे मासे 2022 तारिख नि नोटिफिकेशन तैरो एडवर्टाइज नंबर जक तंगो तैरो सुजक तंगो Tripura Combined Competitive Examination for Recruitment to Miscellaneous Post ni bisingtino Panchayat Executive Officer ni job jaknai fighting kesang tabo vacancy nailai HC ni bagai vacancy tंगो 68 tei ST ni bagai tंगो 124 unreserved ni bagai 208 tंगो ex serviceman ni bagai tongo tei noro irena di tei total post tongo ira 400 fighting kesang tabo o post ni bagai online application chung bahai ke khlainai o TPSC ni website habina chung nailainai tei sijak tongo supervisor ICDS CDPO Panchayat Executive Officer under miscellaneous post Government of Tripura tei last date jak tongo 31 May 2022 o tarik jorano last date tongnai to friends jara Supervisor ICDS job ni bagai apply khlaijak tongkhe noro Panchayat Executive Officer job ni bagai apply khlai nangya hini sajak omukha joto miscellaneous post ni under tei lajaknai tei norok ICDS job ni bagai apply khlaijak hingke Panchayat Executive Officer job ni bagai apply khlai mano o apply khlai link na ang video ni description ro rinai tei norok o apply here click khlai apply khlai di 31 May ni bisingo no apply khlai di।